Thursday. Today is Thursday, November the 21st, and the market never recovered from its open in the Dow or the Nasdaq or the S&P 500. The advancers and decliners had the decliners leading advancers pretty much the same as yesterday. So what that means is we are going to see let's see if it's updated for today. It's not updated for today, but we're going to see this oscillator fall a little bit further, closer to the oversold line. So we're getting close to the oversold line, and we can hang out there or bounce between oversold and neutral for some time. So let's keep an eye on that. But in the meantime, cash is a good place to be. The S&P was just down 0.16%. Apple down $1.08, so it continues. Let's go to its to our 1 day. So it continues its downward trend, and now it's below the 8 EMA. So hold on, there'll be better opportunities to buy Apple, but it's just not right now. Caterpillar up $1.84. So that was its first day up. This is the weekly. Let's go to the daily. And here you can see that it's reversed its decline, but it still got rejected by the 8 EMA. Let's take a look at the 60-minute and see if the Chiku span came into play. And you can see the Chiku span has just been having trouble in the cloud, but now it's underneath a series of candles. And the 1 hour is underneath this cloud. So expect a little bit of tough going for Caterpillar, but I continue to hold on to it. GDX was down almost 2%, and KL didn't suffer as badly, but I am glad that I got out when I did. So I'm not holding on to any gold right now. I'm still looking for weakness in the dollar and a continuing trend for KL. I still believe KL is on an upward trajectory, but look at this, the 138.2 and the 161.8 on two different sets of Fibonacci's have proven the area that will slow this down. So I want to see us get over 138.2 and hold that for 2 days in a row. Unless we have one big day and a little pullback, I'll be really happy, and I'd like to jump in again. AT&T, let's go to the daily. And you can see that it's just found its way out of the cloud, but the Chiku span, and I love to trade the Chiku span, as you know that, was stopped by the 8 EMA, and it's still underneath these candles. So there's still some time now for AT&T to maybe just still have a little bit more trouble before it gets up over $40 again. It's fallen below the 61.8. Usually when something hits the 61.8, it'll struggle to hit 78.2. Once it's over 78.2, it gets pretty robust, and will continue to move up to 100% and do a double top. But that didn't happen this time. Now we've got the 61.8, which has been resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 times recently, and now we've fallen below again. But volume was really very light today. We didn't look at volume overall in the market, so let's look at that. And the Dow, reasonable volume. The Nasdaq was right on, and the S&P 500 was right on for its typical volumes. WDC down again. Whirlpool came up, got rejected perfectly on the cloud. Whereas 3 days ago, the Chiku span got support on the cloud. Today, our low was right here. So we came down to almost touch the cloud here. If we had come down to this point right here, which was 140.94, we'd have gotten support on the cloud. But our low point today looks like it was around 141.33. Amazon had a really bad day. So now we've crashed below the candles on the Chiku span, below the 8 EMA. So it's going to be tough for Amazon. So expect it to go back and test this 1705. So this wave never even had a chance to get up to 38.2%, and blame it all on the cloud. Just way too much resistance there for buyers to push it up any further. So tomorrow is Friday. The impeachment hearings are over, but not over. So the House now is probably going to go into a session of deciding when they're going to vote on impeachment. But I don't think the market really cares.